Have you ever been told that you make strange noises while sleeping? From light snoring to loud breathing sounds, these noises often come from deep inside your body, without you even realizing it. Most sleep-related noises originate in the upper airway. As air flows through relaxed tissues, vibration creates sound. Snoring occurs when throat muscles relax excessively during sleep. The airway narrows, forcing air to move faster and vibrate surrounding tissues. Sleeping on your back allows gravity to pull the tongue backward, partially blocking the airway and increasing noise production. Colds, allergies, or sinus inflammation can block nasal airflow. This forces mouth breathing, often resulting in louder sleep noises. Some sleep noises come from teeth grinding, known as bruxism. This is often linked to stress, anxiety, or disrupted sleep cycles. Loud snoring followed by silence may indicate sleep apnea. This condition temporarily stops breathing, reducing oxygen supply to the body. Repeated oxygen deprivation places stress on the brain and heart, increasing the risk of serious health problems. Sleeping on your side, keeping nasal passages clear, and maintaining healthy sleep habits can significantly reduce noise. Weight management, avoiding alcohol before bed, and using medical sleep devices may provide further relief. If sleep noises are accompanied by daytime fatigue, morning headaches, or poor concentration, medical evaluation is strongly recommended. Sleep noises are more than a nighttime disturbance. They are signals from your body. Understanding them is the first step toward healthier sleep.